Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the GitHub. In the last video, we are trying to add the password over here to push the code. So currently the password is not there. We have not created. So here we have the tutorial on that ones. Before those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. In the previous, like suppose like 2-3 years back or 4 years back, Git password authentication is shutting down. Means that whenever you made an account of the GitHub, that password is used as a GitHub account. If I try and go to add my password over here, whatever I have the password, or you can say the password is like this, I know, while generating the account. So here you can see that so authentication failed. Okay, so you will read the document with regarding this one. Please you see this one, right? So mode of authentication. So to fix this one, so what we are going to do, we have to go with the SS tokens, right? So here you can see that the Git password authentication is shutting down. Yes, GitHub is depreciated password authentication for the GitHub operations in favor of the token based authentications. This is a change part of the GitHub's ongoing efforts to improve the security. For improving the security, they have shut down their GitHub password authentication. Now they come up with the personal SS token. Okay, so let's start this with this one, how to generate the personal access token. So first of all, you have to go with the account settings. Okay, so here we go with this one. So here we have the accounts or settings. Let's go to that one. Okay, in the settings, let's go to scroll down, and here we have a developer settings. Okay, so GitHub apps, new, create, we have the personal access tokens, right? So let's create this one, tokens. Okay, so let's generate a new token. So here we have to generate fine grain beta. So let's go and create this one. Token name, I want to make it a test token. Expiration date, you can set. Description, test. Okay, so anything you can test over here. Resource owner, I'm with this one. Public repository, read only, and permissions, you need to pass it over here, right? Permission documentation, zero permissions, account permissions. So block and so no access. So here we have to go with this one. I think we should go with the tokens classic. Give me a second. So here we go with this one. So this is test. Okay, expiration, repo, repository. Make sure you have to check all this. Right, depends upon the conveniency you want to go with. You can just check this one. Okay, user read and write, update the informations, discussions. Okay, this settings you have to do, very important, right? So let's go and just go with the generate token. So it give me the token like this. Just copy this token, I'm going to add here. Okay, so let's go with the pushing the code master, and here I'm going to push technical Rajni 90, technical Rajni 90, right? So here I'm going to paste the password authentication token. Now you can see that it is push the code, right? Okay, so here we go with this one, and if I go to my like the repository, let's go to my repository over here. Here you can see that technical Rajni test. Okay, and here we have the test repository that we have created, and here you can see that we have a two files, initial commit with the name initial commit is there, right? And the file is there. Okay, so you can see that we have successfully add the files to the GitHub repository, create the account, push the code, and everything, right? So this is how we have done. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.